So Malinkin, I'm gonna quickly show you the bestest of the best and fitted and supplied by ourselves, Trans Africa Bush Gear, this Johnny's. So every wheel has its own little tube pipey, but not only that, the valves that we install on your cruiser is high flow valves. So let me just quickly show you what this high flow valve looks like. So this allows air to move much faster through this valve, putting less strain on your compressor, less heat, and very much faster in and out of your big 4x4 tires. So every wheel, Nemalinki, has its own tube. So we've just came from Hunters Road, and it is now time to inflate and deflate. So yeah, now we're gonna start, or let's just do all 4 of them at once. Kom ons doen maar al 4 gelyk. So this is how quick it is. Pump all the wheels at the same time, but it equalizes them as well. So now we go to the inside, and this is the valve that we use to inflate and deflate as we look up here. That is where we monitor the pressure of the tires. So that is how quick and easy it is to inflate and deflate tires on Ubuntu. Right, so front wheels 2.4. Now I'm going to take off the front wheels. They are done, while the back wheels are still continuing pumping. And so putting them away is just as easy. You just center that one in the tube, wind it a little bit. That's it. Put it away. That one already put it away. Alright, so in the back 3.3. I'm happy with 3.3. So what makes this lekker is for deflating. So if you want to deflate, all you do is you just turn it, and that's deflating. Check there. Now you're going to see deflating. Let's open it a little bit more. Now it's going to start deflating. There we go. Pumping, inflating. All you do, you just turn it up again to where you want it. Inflating again now. So I'm going to take it to about 3.3, and then I'll be done. But this is how